Hello friends, welcome to my channel CBSE English. In today's video, we are going to learn how to evaluate the PDF format answer sheets that we receive through email in our laptop or desktop. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Let us see how to evaluate in laptop. Open the browser, Google Chrome or any, and then type here xodo.com, xodo.com. Click on it. And you will see this screen on your laptop or computer. Click on here, launch now. One new window will open, and here in this window you will have these options. Now as we are new to this website, we are guest here. So as a guest also, we can open our answer sheet and evaluate here using cursor or using mouse. It is very easy. You can see if our file is in local file here in the laptop or computer, we can use it easily. If our file is in Google Drive, we can use that Google Drive also. And simply you can just drag and drop a file here. Now how to open? See here, my file is in local, that is in my laptop. So click on local file, and I have put the name of the file PWT2 class 10 answer sheets. All answer sheets are here. So for example, suppose open the first answer sheet, and here the answer sheet will be in front of you. Now here you will see so many options. These are the tools. This one, panel. If we click on this panel and on the thumbnail, so the pages submitted by the students will see here. Total 5 pages. Here this shows outlines. There is no outline. This shows notes. We haven't added the notes yet. This option, fit to width, is proper. We have to do this fit to width of our screen of the laptop, so that it will be very easy to see and evaluate the answer sheet. You can scroll up or scroll down from this side. Now the main tool to evaluate this answer sheet is this pen. Freehand tools. In this you will see red, green, blue and black pen. Choose any one. I am choosing the red one, so this one, and start evaluating the answer. Suppose the first answer is correct. By using your mouse or cursor, it is very easy. Second answer correct, third answer correct, fourth correct, fifth correct. So in this way the student is getting 5 marks for first question. So easy. You can minimize or zoom out and zoom in. These options are given here like this. Zoom out or zoom in. By using the cursor, you can go ahead for the second question. Again, the same method. If the answer is correct, correct it. If the answer is wrong, make it wrong. And in this way, for suppose second question, the student is getting 3 marks. Use the cursor to go ahead. The same process is there. Dear friends, suppose there is some mistake in the lines or in the descriptive answer. So we can underline it easily and use this text box. Using this text box, you can write here that here there is a spelling mistake, or anything else. This is for example only. So when you send this file to a student or an exam department, so that the student or the exam department in charge will come to know where the mistake is lying in the answer sheet. This is also easy. Here this option is signature. If you have put your signature in the form of JPEG format here in the laptop or computer, you can click on this and put your signature at the end of the answer sheet or in the beginning of the answer sheet. So in this way, this is very easy, dear friends, to evaluate the answer sheet using this Zoho in our laptop, that is through Google Chrome or any other browser. Here you can learn these tools. They are so easy. Note, suppose for note, click on this note, and if you want to write here something for the students, that answer in full sentence, so you can write and save this note. So note will be saved here. So in this way, at the end, count all the marks and put here by using this pen. For example, out of 80, the student is getting 65 marks. So in this way, our answer sheet is evaluated. Now the last and very important work remains, that is save. You can save this file to Google Drive, to Bookshelf or Dropbox. Anywhere you can save this file as per your convenience. Or if you just click on this save, the file will be saved automatically to your download folder of the laptop or computer. So dear friends, in this way you can use this website zoho.com easily to evaluate the answer sheets. Now just look at the saved file that we have checked. Here the file is saved with the same name of that student, Abhinash. We are opening the file. So here we have the evaluated answer sheet in front of us. In this way, this is an easy way to evaluate answer sheets that we receive in PDF format using our laptop or computer. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on the like button, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to receive more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.